Today's daily task topic is signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Signal detection in pharmacovigilance, it is a critical process used to identify the safety issue with the pharmaceutical products, and after they had been in market. Here is the overview of the signal detection. Definition of signal detection in pharmacovigilance refers to a pharmacovigilance information that suggests a possible causal relation between drug and adverse event. Signal detection involves the study of data to identify the potential safety and that warrant further investigation. Objectives of signal detection. Signal detection is necessary for the first identifying new risks, detecting previously unknown adverse drug reactions, or identifying new risk factors associated with existing drug. Previously unknown adverse drug reaction, identifying that and associate with the existing drug also. Monitor the benefit risk balance and monitor the risk balance, as well as inform regulatory actions, providing data to regulatory authorities for decision making regarding labeling changes, marketing withdrawal or further details, such as inform regulatory authorities as well as for the changes in the sometime adverse event directly. For regulatory actions, give actions on them for withdrawal of drug directly, for life-threatening or any other severe adverse events causing. Signal detection relies on various data sources, including spontaneous reporting system. Spontaneous reporting system means reports from healthcare professionals, patients, and manufacturers also, and clinical trials, safety data from pre and post marketing studies. Spontaneous reporting, electronic other records, data from clinics provide real world evidence for safety. And literature reviews also need for the signal detection. Published studies for report adverse event. Methods for signal detection. Several methodologies are employed for signal detection. Quantitative methods, statistical approaches that analyze the frequency of ADR reports, such as proportional reporting ratios, compare that proportion to a specific adverse event reported by a drug against the all over drugs. Qualitative methods, these includes the expert reviews, narrative analysis, and case studies that provide context and insight the report events. And third is the machine learning process. Machine learning process is related to the algorithms and applied for the signal detection. Importance of signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Patient safety is the first priority and first importance of signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Effective signal detection helps to protect identifying harmful adverse events and regulatory compliances. Ensures compliance with legal requirements for monitoring drug safety and public trust, maintaining public confidence in drug safety and regulatory processes. Challenges: data completeness. Spontaneous reporting system often suffer from if signal overload, and causality assessments are the Challenges in signal detection. Signal detection is the vital component in pharmacovigilance as well as ensure the safety of medications. Involves the systemic data analysis and expert evaluation for identify the potential safety